Welcome to this lesson on callable bonds. In the world of fixed income securities, callable bonds represent a unique type of debt instrument that gives issuers special rights. Today, you'll learn how these bonds work, why companies choose to issue them, and what this means for investors who purchase them. A callable bond is a debt security that includes an embedded option for the issuer. Specifically, it gives the issuer the right to redeem or buy back the bond before its scheduled maturity date. When the issuer exercises this right, they pay bondholders a predetermined price known as the call price. This is typically set at or slightly above the bond's face value. It's important to understand that this is a right, not an obligation, meaning the issuer can choose whether or not to call the bond based on market conditions. Every callable bond has two essential components. First is the call price, which is the amount the issuer must pay to redeem the bond early. This price is established when the bond is initially issued and is usually at par or at a premium to the face value. Second is the call date, which represents the earliest point in time when the issuer can exercise their right to call the bond. Before this date, known as the call protection period, the bond cannot be redeemed early, providing investors with some security. Issuers call bonds for several strategic reasons. The most common reason is when interest rates have declined since the bond was originally issued. In this scenario, the company can refinance its debt at lower rates, reducing its interest expense. Another reason is improved credit quality. If a company's creditworthiness has strengthened, it can borrow at more favorable terms. Finally, companies with excess cash may choose to call bonds simply to reduce their overall debt obligations and strengthen their balance sheet. For investors, callable bonds present both advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, callable bonds typically offer higher coupon rates compared to non-callable bonds. This higher yield compensates investors for taking on call risk. However, there's a significant downside called reinvestment risk. If the bond is called, investors receive their principal back, but must reinvest that money in a market where interest rates are likely lower than when they originally purchased the bond. This means they may not be able to achieve the same return going forward. There are four main types of call provisions. American callable bonds can be called anytime after the call protection period ends, giving issuers maximum flexibility. European callable bonds are more restrictive and can only be called on specific predetermined dates. Bermuda callable bonds offer a middle ground, allowing calls on multiple specific dates throughout the bond's life. Finally, make-whole call provisions require the issuer to pay the present value of all remaining coupon payments plus a premium, making early redemption expensive and protecting investors more effectively. When analyzing callable bonds, investors must consider a specific metric called yield to call, abbreviated YTC. This measures the return an investor would receive if the bond is called at the earliest possible call date, rather than being held to maturity. Smart investors always compare the yield to call against the yield to maturity, or YTM, to understand the range of potential returns. The lower of these two yields is often considered the more conservative estimate of the bond's actual return. Let's recap the most important points about callable bonds. First, these bonds offer higher yields to compensate investors for the risk that the bond might be called early. Second, bonds are typically called when interest rates decline, as this allows issuers to refinance at lower costs. Third, call protection periods are crucial because they shield investors from immediate early redemption. And finally, when evaluating callable bonds, always analyze both yield to call and yield to maturity to fully understand your potential returns. Understanding these concepts is essential for making informed investment decisions in the fixed income market.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.